thing comes to the nearest man. That man starts plump, hollering, screaming. Sometimes it'll go away. Sometimes it wouldn't go away. Sometimes that thing looks right into your eyes. You know, the thing about it, it's got lifeless eyes, black eyes, like a doll's eyes. When it comes at you, it doesn't seem to be living. Till it bites you, and those black eyes roll over wide. You don't hear nothing but the scream, the hollering.
Seagulls.
Aye! Seagulls!
Well, despite the fact that we're inside, I doubt very much they'll be able to lift a whole 70 centilitre bottle of Pembrokeshire seaweed spice.
I suppose you're right.